Yeah, this is a very nice, relaxing area. We did make it to Zona Romántica via the mountain pass. The sea's down there, is it? Yeah. Well, we just had an adventure. We took what should have been a 10-minute bus ride. It took us about an hour. And we went all round through the mountains.
We thought we were going to Mexico City.
Yeah, we didn't know where we were going. But basically, we just took an hour's bus ride for $1 or 80 cents, and it was fun. We enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah.
And I had no idea where we were going, but I think we still ended up in Zona Romántica.
Yeah.
And it looks really nice here. So we're going to have a walk around today and just enjoy ourselves, taking it easy. Weather's lovely, not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah.
And it smells great here. Everyone seems to be cooking and eating.
Yeah. The driver was like loaded up with himself.
Yeah, the driver had a good laugh. He just said we had a nice adventure. Like I say, we didn't have a destination. We just wanted to go out for the day and enjoy ourselves, and it's been a good start. Looks like the sea's down that way. I think I can see the sea down there, Tina.
Yeah? Oh.
Yeah. This is the wobbly bridge. Let's hold on. And the water here is beautifully crystal clear. Just show that over the top of the fence here. Ah, this is really wobbly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, it's a fun bridge. There's Tina. Hi there. No, we're just looking, just having an adventure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
From?
We're from Canada.
Canada.
Yeah. Getting away from the cold and the rain.
Is it?
Yeah.
Heavy?
Very cold there now.
How?
Yeah, this is a perfect spot for souvenirs of your trip. Yeah. One of those, the dead statues there, Mum. Yeah. You can hear the birds chirping away here. Very cool and relaxing. Everyone is super friendly. And hi there, hello. Maybe later, thank you. Yeah. Lots of beadwork here. I like their skulls. So the gentleman was just saying this area here is an island with the river running both sides of it. And they've got all these lovely trees. I'll just show you, we just crossed the wobbly bridge. I go across the other side of the island. And this river runs all year round. Oh, look how crystal clear it is, it's beautiful. Yeah, we just, I think I just remembered that
With those birds,
yeah, we just, and the pelicans. Yeah, maybe it wasn't open.
This was not open that day.
Yeah. Excuse me, yeah. Yeah, we just took a 1 hour detour bus ride for a 10-minute trip on a local bus. It's been a fun thing though, fun adventure. We come down that ramp, then we walk through there.
Jeez.
Yeah.
It's like completely forgot where I am.
Yeah, we're completely lost. You know, we're on holiday, that's the main thing. We're having fun.
This is lovely.
Yeah. Coffee time. Yeah, actually prices are really good there. Coffee, lattes, slightly about the same price as a latte, yeah, 75. There we go. And about 12 pesos is a Canadian dollar. Hola. Buenos días. What's this?
Somebody looking at jewelry.
Yeah. It's still early, it's only about 10:30 in the morning. Yeah. Oh, there's another bridge there. Very colourful. Yeah. Lots of cats here as well. Oh, there's a big staircase there. I don't know if we're going to go up that. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going up the staircase. Let's go and have a look at it. Yeah. Yeah. We've got some cats there. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a very nice relaxing area. We did make it to Zona Romántica via the mountain pass. And we're on this beautiful island. This is like a tropical garden here. Look at the birds and that.
Looks okay.
And we've got another wobbly bridge here. Even holes in the floor, look, you see the river. Oh. It's a rickety old bridge. It's hard to walk straight. No. Tina's struggling.
What's like they were doing?
Oh, it's this. Thank you. Sweet. Thank you. Well, we're having a good walk around Romantica, Zona Romántica. An interesting little walk. Kind of busy and a little bit noisy. We're thinking of looking for a hotel around here, but I think we prefer somewhere a little bit quieter, even though it's very interesting. People are super friendly still. And there's plenty to see. an interesting garden here. Look at the tile mosaics everywhere. Very bright. Well, we've had a nice walk round Zona Romántica, and we're going to be here a little bit longer, I think. It's getting near lunchtime. We're going to find somewhere maybe shady to sit down and have a cool drink. It's a lovely little garden, and it's been an adventure today. We didn't really plan it, we just jumped on a bus and hoped for the best. It's worked out really nice. Sit on the shade.
Well, we're missing something like this.
Yeah. A little bit of shade around here. Yeah. Is there enough shade for you? So this is the beach at Zona Romántica. The train is just coming up. Had a great day. The bus ride's only 10 pesetas, which is about, I don't know, 90 cents, 80, 90 cents. So it's a really good service and really cheap.